Here we want to determine the value of k when k equals this fraction. Now what we're going to do is we're going to start down here. So in order to combine these, we need a common denominator. So we need a denominator of 5, so that means we have 35. So that means we get 37 over 5. But now we want 1 over that. Now 1 over just means the reciprocal. So we have 3 over 4 plus 5 over 37. So now we're going to focus on this. So 4 over 1 plus 5 over 37. So now we have 37 and 5 over 37. So to get the numerator, we have to multiply 37 times 4. So we get 148. So we get 153 over 37. So now we have 3. So k equals 3 divided by 153 over 37. So that means we have 3 times 37 over 153. Now when we multiply, we're going to multiply 3 into the numerator and 1 into the denominator. So that means we have 153. And so 3 times 37. So we have 1, bring up the 2. So we have 111 over 153, but got to be careful because is there something we can divide out of all 3? Well, we actually can take a 3 out because the digits of 111 add up to a multiple of 3, as do the digits of 153. So if I take 111 and divide by 3, so 2, 1, so I get 37. And if we take 153 over 3, we get 51. So there is the reduced simplified fraction, 37 over 51.